Hey, it's Gina from WTI. As you can see, we loved this lava grapefruit mixer so much that we finished the bottle. There are many things about this that I just love. For one, it is a skinny ruby red grapefruit mix. Grapefruit is my favorite citrus. I love to use it in drinks or just to eat it by itself. So having a mixer that's already made for me that is low in calories but tastes like fresh grapefruit is so awesome. The ingredients are so good, you do not feel guilty about drinking it. I love that it's colored with beetroot, so it doesn't have harmful chemicals from colors or other ingredients. These are all real ingredients that you can pronounce everything that's on the label. It doesn't taste like a fake citrus concentrate that you might get. This just simply tastes like you picked the fruit off the tree and squeezed it into your cup. There was no need for us to add other ingredients, no need to add sugar or other sweeteners. It had just the right amount of sweetener to give it that nice sweet and sour grapefruit taste. We took it to a friend's house and made Palomas and Greyhounds, and they absolutely loved it too. Once you try the skinny red grapefruit mix from Lava, you are not going to be satisfied with other mixers. It's that good. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.